Welcome to the University of Utah Cell Imaging Core. First, to log in and gain access, you must have completed a work authorization form located on our main website at cores.utah.edu. It is under the Work Authorization Form tab. Once that has been approved and signed off on by your PI, you may log in. Our department is located under the Cell Imaging tab. This will lead you to our calendar and bulletin board. Important information about our microscopes will be posted here. If you are new to cell imaging, regardless of your experience, an initial consultation with our associate Chris Rodesh or Mike Bridge is required. You must set up a consultation time with either Mike or Chris Bridge at the same time as your microscopes. All the microscope tabs are located here where you can access the calendar for a reservation. I will do one for an example. I will click Michael Bridge, and I will choose Friday, March 1st for an hour of his time from 9 in the morning until 10. So this is my time from 9 to 10. This is me, and this is the account that is associated with my lab. And this labels where you can put what type of imaging you're doing so we can know what to expect so we can help you best. So after all that is done, we'll close it out. And now I will choose the microscope that I would like to be trained on with Mike. I will choose the Prairie Multiphoton Confocal. It was Friday, March 1st. My consultation is for an hour, so I'm going to choose an hour after training that I can image by myself. So from 9 to 11 with the microscope. So here's my time from 9 to 11 with the microscope with 1 hour of training. This is me. This is the account associated with my lab. And here's the label again. So that all looks good, so I'll close out of it. That looks correct. And that's it. If you have any questions, be sure to let us know, and thank you for watching. From all of us at the Cell Imaging Core.